Well, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and an unboxing video. Let's just jump straight in. This one will be short and sweet, I'd imagine. They didn't go out of their way with packaging, but I suppose it's got some bubble wrap. Right, this is not a Gillette, and as you can see, I can probably clean that up. Okay, so looks like it was gold plated at some stage. That looks brassy on top, but anyway, it is what it is. So let's go inside. And it's the Form Safety Razor, made in England. I'll tell you right now, I have no idea about this safety razor. Is that a Manora? Yep. Hate old blades. Disgusting. Alright, so there's the blade banks. Actually, the case isn't in bad condition, is it? So I bought this because I was like, what the hell? Made in England. You'd say it's 3-piece. There's a crusty blade inside. Let's get rid of that. Out you come. Greyhound blade. So we'll just have a look at the teeth there. Looks pretty straight. Looks like it needs a good clean. Just check for cracks. That looks clear of cracks. It's top cap. Nothing on the under. So it really looks like a single ring, doesn't it? A blatant copy of a single ring. But this one needs to go into the ultrasonic cleaner. Get rid of the crud that's built up over the years. So there you go. If you have any information about this razor, the Form, please leave comments below. I'll be very, very interested to find out more about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.